Time flows like a clear stream 53 years long, through valleys deep and mountains strong. The waters run fresh down gold rivers' way to feed the lifeline of life each day. Under the sun, crops ripen with grace. Golden fields bow like waves in their place. Joyful echoes of youth we hold dear, friends of 38, 71 year. The laughs we shared in an old school hall, the memories vivid, we recall it all. Boys and girls live stories untold. Now with aged hearts our bond still holds. The breeze sang soft through fields so grand. We waved together like grains of sand. Grown as mountains our paths divide, but hearts remain in friendship's tide. Under the sun, crops ripen with grace. Golden fields bow like waves in their place. Joyful echoes of youth we hold dear, friends of 38, 71 years. Life is swift, a tale only half complete. We gather with stories where futures meet. As years weave threads, we promise to stay together in heart